The man who is walking there is my neighbor. The subordinate clause identifies. The book that is lying on the table is mine. The subordinate clause locates.
The books that I have read are in the cupboard.
The subordinate clause tells an action.
Mrs. Jan, who lives in Amsterdam, an added fact.
With a comma in between.
First you name something, then
with die or that, you give more information.
It is a pointing finger.
The woman from whom I borrowed the bicycle has moved away. The man whose car was stolen is calling the police. The woman whose daughter is a doctor also works here. These are the connections of possession and relationship of and we, weens, we're. They link people to their belongings, their family, their story.
All people that I know are kinda restrictive group.
Everyone who comes is welcome.
The condition
To be welcome. Someone who works so hard deserves a prize. The qualification for the prize. Nothing that he says is true. The total denial.
the first one who comes in wins.
The rule of the competition.
The subordinate clause after
Everyone, someone, nothing.
the first tells us exactly who,
What or which. The woman from whom I borrowed the bicycle has moved away. The man whose car was stolen is calling the police. The woman whose daughter is a doctor also works here. These are the connections of possession and relationship of and we, weens, we're. They link people to their belongings, their family, their story.
The person with whom I spoke was the director. The friend to whom I gave the book is happy. The colleague for whom I work is strict. Sometimes the preposition comes along.
With whom, to whom, for whom it becomes personal and precise. The woman from whom I borrowed the bicycle.
The man whose car was stolen.
The woman whose daughter is a doctor.
That is the restaurant where we ate last year.
See,
It is the same principle,
a name,
a thing.
and then
The subordinate clause that makes it special
the subordinate clause
is the secret.
I, who am always on time,
Was late today.
even I
Can have a subordinate clause.